Good evening, my name is Vanlalremruati. Today we will have a tour of hmangsak's studio. Over here in the entrance of the studio, we have a sign that says no smoking because smoking causes of cancer and smoking is injurious to health. So this is a real strict rule and it's real good for them and for us. And over here, we have pictures of the worker. We have the designer, her name is Dawntuai, and this is the owner of the studio, and standing with him is also reporters, and this is my favorite reporter, her name is Zanzani. And over here we have a big camera, this is Sony. And here we have the studio light. This is SL60 as we can see, and we on it, and it depends, we make it lower and higher depending on how you want. This is really easy. And this is a small camera, this is Canon, a small version as I say, and ta-da! Look, as I said it is real pretty with the help of the light and the backdrop. The pictures are used to be more neat and tidy, clean, and more beautiful. And these flowers are from YMA Chhang to Decor and Event Design, and thank you for them designing us a beautiful flower, and they did it real natural. They can do different designs and pop color also as well. They can also do for birthday events and weddings, so you can always tell them what you want, so that it's really easy. And over here we have is a trial room. Again, you can't smoke inside even the trial room. And this is the toilet and the bar stools over here, and we will go over there. Let's start with the LED light. Okay, this LED light can give two colors out, off-white and white. The umbrella helps it a lot because when we look, it can't damage our eyes. So this is real good. And over here, we got a little handy box. There are 4 levels. In the first level, we keep the light, the second, battery, the third, mic, the fourth, we mix all the small stuffs. And this is the green screen. I think every studio will know this and have this. They use it for movies and music videos, so this is real important for every studio. And this is where I'll be presenting news. Good evening, my name is Vanlalremruati. Tonight I'll be presenting a breaking news. YMA of Durtlang Br organized an interesting competition for junior YMA, which we called YMA Chhang, in which there were 46 participants participating in the competition. The competition was categorized into 2 categories, that is below 9 years and below 15 years of age. On the 8th September 2021, from the successful participants, again there will be the final competition. The coming Wednesday is the Rising Day of Durtlang Br YMA. On this night, there will be an award-giving program to a student who are successful in their exams. Live program can be watched on YMA YouTube channel. And that's all for tonight. Thank you.